You can prep the draw on the way across.
Okay.
You just don't deploy the pistol. You can even get the gun up out of the holster. Just don't deploy it to your leeward of the non-hostile.
Okay.
Does that make sense to you?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Good.
Good job. These two want to stray.
Is that me?
On. Yeah, those two went there. There, up here.
Man, that drill's a butt kicker.
Pretty good.
Thanks, sir.
Pretty good. Well done. Well done.
This class is not a gimme. You got to work for this one.